guys, what's up and welcome back to the otaku wall now, which we established in the last video. This is just a quick peep in to say that we're moving! We are jumping ship. The manga section of Cheeky Sparkles is booping to somewhere else, which is in the description below and will probably be in the first comment. We are moving to a new YouTube channel. Yes, I'm starting the second one finally. Eventually I will have 3. But that's the tea. There's also some rebranding coming soon because I think I'm going to stick this up this weekend. But yes, the manga section is moving over to Sunshine Manga. For those that follow me on Instagram, they know that I've been pushing at getting this YouTube channel started, which is going to be dedicated for all of our nerd stuff. I'm talking merch, I'm talking anime reviews, manga hauls, all that good stuff, cosplay. And the reason why I'm doing this and moving everything to a different channel for nerd stuff is because the reason why I made Cheeky Sparkles in the beginning was to do kawaii fashion. And I've been having a little chat with myself recently and we've kind of gotten away from that. So we're gearing this channel more towards fun kawaii fashion, and if you love the nerd stuff, boop over to Sunshine Manga because we are going to be doing manga shopping videos, anime reviews, animes that I will not watch, and y'all cannot change my mind. One Piece. This is the tea. We are hopping ship. We are getting our stuff and we are getting out of here. I'm getting my tote. I've got my books, my anime figures, and we are going. We are going right now. Okay, well, we're theoretically going because I live here and it's gonna be in the same spot. But y'all know what I mean. So, with all that said, this video is kind of short, but I hope to see you guys over on Sunshine Manga, over in the otaku wall over there. But yeah, I love you a lot, and for those who are sticking around for fashion, I love you a lot too. I love everyone! Y'all are the best. I love you so much for all the support. But yeah, I hope to see you on the new channel. Bye!